Three stocks I'm looking to buy this month, and we don't want to miss number one. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. This is not a financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and we can lose money. And past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This is only for educational purposes. Okay, the last time I made my favorite stocks, that was back in 2023, probably a few videos after that. And since then, Nvidia stock jumped multiple times, 2-3 times. That's more than that, right? More than that. So today I want to give you my stocks that I'm looking to buy, and I own some of those stocks as well. And actually, I own all those stocks. I'm looking to add more stocks. So S&P 500, 1 week, if you look at it, hey, MU is down 20%, Broadcom down, Nvidia down, AMD, Intel is down 9.42%, and Texas Instrument down, Marvel 13%. You see all the AI related chip makers, they were down. But look at this, Microsoft, Apple, Palantir is up, and also on the right side, if you look at it, Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, Mars, Amazon, Tesla, Financial, they are all up. They are all up. So rotation is definitely going on. So we can make the best use of this rotation. And if we look at the 1 month S&P 500 map, hey, MU down only 8.22% because it was up quite a lot. Only the past 1 week it was down quite significantly. Broadcom down 25%, Nvidia down 13%, Microsoft down, Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, see, heck, they are up, and Financial, they are up. So rotation is definitely pretty good, right? So how do we make use of this rotation, right? If you want to learn more about stock investing and what I buy, financial education, subscribe to this channel. Stock number 3, Nvidia. Nvidia, I may add Nvidia because I believe that they have a very long way, and right now, one day just before the holidays, it's down 1.39%. 5 days, it's not bad. Year to date, it's only at 3.17%. The low point for this year is around $165, and now it's below 194. Look at this. This is the support level. 196.8, 192.5. So if this support doesn't hold, if it drop, it could because of the rotation and plus interest rate high fear. If there's an uncertainty around the world, that could possible. If this drops so much more, 165, I may be adding a lot more. Yeah, I have lots of Nvidia, but I may add a lot more. But now I think it's at the support level. Okay, of course, I'm not telling you to buy or sell this stock. Market cap 4.71 trillion. But I believe that with the run rate that they have, they could possibly double from here. Why do I believe so? It's because they are involvement in every stage of AI. Right? AI training, Nvidia is heavily involved. AI inferencing, lots of companies, they need to buy lots of Nvidia chips to do all these things. Now we are at the agentic AI. Agentic AI. After that, it's going to be autonomous AI and multi-agent system. See, there are a few more, but ultimately, Nvidia has been preparing for physical AI, robots. Remember, in order to be the market leader, you have to be thinking decades ahead, 10, 20, 50, 100 years, right? So as an investor, as a successful investor and option trader, I like to think ahead. In the next 5 years, 10 years, what this business is gonna be. Of course, you not only need to think ahead, you also need to look at the result. I look at the past 5-year result. Nvidia, 871.72%. It's easily beat S&P 500, right? How do you know it beat S&P 500? Easy. S&P 500, you just Google it. See, S&P 500, the past 5 years, it's only up 71.26%. Nvidia, how much? See, 871.72. So this is one of my criteria. Of course, there are a few other criteria. Number one is BD S&P 500. Number two is, has this business been in business for at least 10 years? Yes. Number three, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes. Number four, right, do I like this business? Yes, absolutely. Do I understand this business? Yeah, to some extent, yes. I'm still learning more. Number five, is important. Financial statement, right? Look at the financial statement. Revenue, net profit, cash flow, they have been going up. Minimal debt, if no debt is good too. So if a company meets these 5 criteria, definitely it's gonna be at least on my watch list, or even if I don't buy it yet. Nvidia, I own Nvidia, so I may probably look to add more. I'm not thinking about selling Nvidia right now, right? So what is stock number two? Stock number two is the brother of Nvidia, right? Brother Nvidia. So Broadcom makes custom AI chips. If a customer like Alphabet, Meta, Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, they want to order custom-made chip, they need to use Broadcom. Broadcom is down 2.41% just before the stock market closed, before the holidays, July 4 holidays. And year to date, up 3.69%. Look at this. Look at this, 3.69%. And 5 year, 650.62%. Does it beat S&P 500? Yes. Then has it been in business for at least 10 years? Yes. Has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes. And do I know this business? Do I like this business? Yes. Then number 5, what is that? It's a financial statement, right? Revenue, net profit, cash flow, free cash flow, growing? Yes. Hey, if you could not grow your free cash flow or net profit or revenue like that, you don't have the stock market chart like this. No, it's maybe in the short term if there is a bubble, but over the long run, right, it's not easy to have a chart like this. You need to have consistent revenue increase, profit, and also in free cash flow increase as well. So why do I like Broadcom? Broadcom has a very big economic moat. ASIC dominates a high performance networking technology. If somebody wants to make custom AI silicon, ASIC and XPU, it may be very hard to avoid Broadcom. Networking connectivity chips, yeah, they dominate here. Infrastructure software, yep, they also have a vast expertise in right here too. So these three create a very good economic moat, very wide. In my opinion, it's wide. Okay, economic moat. So I own Broadcom. I may look to add more. Why? Because look at this. The past 1 month is down 6.55%. Year to date, it used to hit over 479, so it dropped. Now it is lower, probably low in short term, downtrending a little bit. It used to hit below 300. If it hits below 300, you know what? I'm gonna be buying a lot, right? That's I'm thinking out loud. Okay, it depends on the situation too. A stock can drop for so many different reasons. As long as it's not fundamental deteriorations, most likely I'm gonna be adding Broadcom. Okay, stock number 1 is Marvel. Marvel, right? Down 9.84% within 1 day, just before the July 4 holidays. And Friday, 8.85%. 1 month, 6.9%. Year to date, crazy, up 174.4%. So it's more than double, almost triple. 1 year, 242.82%. Look at this. That's pretty good. 5 year, it beat S&P 500. If you look at the chart, Marvel, right here, it's up 124. Then after that, it went down. You see, there were so many opportunities to buy. Not many people gonna buy. Not many people gonna buy here, right? Maybe more people gonna buy at the top right here. Then more people are buying right here, right? So that's why stock dropped. So I was accumulating this consolidation phase, because I expected this to happen. Nvidia was up, Broadcom was up, Marvel was probably one of the few that hasn't been up yet. right? So that's why I bought it. I bought it right here. I accumulated. Then they have a good economy mode too. Differentiated optical interconnect custom ASICA, competitor of Broadcom. Switching costs and client login. Maybe one of the riskier risks gonna be they have a customer concentration. So if some of the customer decide not to use malware, they could be in trouble. So that's something to think about. And you know what? It doesn't matter. I made over 125,359.9% return, and market value is 160,000. Right? My cost is 69.62. Look at this. Look at this 500 share. Yeah, that was one Marvel hit really high. So now Marvel drop. Marvel drop to 245. If it's drop below 200, hey, I may be adding more. I may adding more. Maybe difficult to drop below 200, but if it drops, something definitely change. So I would look at what changed, and most likely I'm gonna add if it's not fundamental changes, because it's only 250 BDM. And Jason Wall said this could be a 1 trillion company. He doesn't say these things very likely, okay, very likely. So if it's around 200, I know that it's overvalued right now, but then they can grow into their valuations. So that's what I think. So what do you think? Which stock do you like most? So if you want to learn more, go to Mastery Stock Option Crypto. And if you want to make any videos, you can comment down below and share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.